We're PPFing headlights. All right, so what we're gonna need is water, soapy water, gel, not hair gel, and your almighty PPF. Oh, and look at these cool squeegees that we got. I mean, these headlights are pretty clean, but it's never bad to give it a good clean anyway. Holes off, soapy water, squeegee any dust off, soapy water, hair gel. Hold up, I just realized I got the wrong template. My bad. Okay, we got the right template now. Nice and wet. That's headlight one down. Now we'll just seal the edges. We'll grab some of our water solution. And while that settles, we'll do the same on the other side. Lock that in. And we might wet the middle just because it feels a little bit too sticky for my liking. Cool, stretch that a little. Bit of a finesse to this. There you go, that's a little bit better. So it's still a little bit grippy, but it sticks well. I'm gonna move it around until we are happy with the alignment. It's actually pretty spot on. Cool. Now we grab our water, and that helps with these edges like that because there's still soap in there, a bit of moisture. Pretty much flush out all the soap. And then help them stick down a little bit better. Now for the heat gun. Fun fact, forklift ran over this. Still works, just looks a bit weird. So with my background in sign writing, it is actually ideal to seal the edges. I know some PPFs prefer it, some don't. This one, yeah, it works all right. But this is just my personal preference. So I will wear my wrap glove and pretty much just go around the edges and dry that moisture out really well and activate the glue that the film has. Off to the other one. Same thing, you just want to heat the edges. I'm wearing this glove, so A, my finger slides around the edges a lot easier, and B, I don't burn myself. Well, I can, but not that I want to. I like going home with unburnt fingers. I'm sure a lot of people can relate. And that's how you PPF headlights.